Did you know there are two different ways to apply material presets in Light Tracer Render? Let's start by linking the materials of these two flowers. Select both flowers while holding Control, go to Properties and click Link Selected Materials. Now both objects share the same material. Next, open the Material Library, choose any preset and drag it onto any linked object. All linked objects will update automatically. You can also immediately change the texture scale, making the pattern bigger or smaller. So if you want to update a whole group of linked objects, just use drag and drop. Now let's try it another way. Select one flower and simply click on a material preset. This time, only that flower changes even though the objects are linked. So if you want to update just one specific object, use a click instead. This will forcibly unlink the material of the selected object, so it will no longer be shared with the others. Quick recap: drag and drop to update linked objects together, click to update just one. We're constantly improving Light Tracer Render and your feedback helps us a lot. Tell us in the comments what features you'd like to see next, whether the software feels convenient to use, and if you'd recommend it to your friends. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.